Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove payment method on Canva. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is open up your web browser and then come across canva.com and sign into your account. After you do that, you want to click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the page and then click onto the settings option that appears in the drop down menu. Now, in the settings page, if you take a look at the menu on your left-hand side, under the personal section, you're going to see this billing and plans. So give it a click, and then in this page, if you click onto the change button on the right, it's going to allow you to change the payment method for your team. But since we wanted to remove it, you're going to have to click onto the remove button, which is on the left, and then click onto the red remove button that appears in the pop-up window. And here you have successfully removed the payment method on Canva. Note that this method is for the free version of Canva, but if you're using Canva Pro, it's going to be slightly different. You're going to have to cancel your subscription first and then go ahead and remove the payment method the same way I did with this one. So that's it. That's how to remove payment method on Canva. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.